This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a no-bake fudge bar cake. First, gather your ingredients like chocolate sandwich cookies, butter, cream cheese, powdered sugar, vanilla, and whipped topping. This simple dessert comes together quickly with minimal effort, perfect for any occasion. You'll love how easy it is to create a rich, decadent treat without turning on your oven. Let's start with the delicious crust. Take about 24 chocolate sandwich cookies and crush them until they are fine crumbs. Then, mix these crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter until well combined. Press this mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Pop it into the refrigerator for at least 10 minutes to set while you prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the rich fudge filling. In a large bowl, beat 1/8-ounce package of softened cream cheese until it's smooth and creamy. Gradually mix in 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently fold in 1 12-ounce container of whipped topping until everything is just combined. Spread this luscious filling evenly over your chilled cookie crust. The final step is the easiest: chilling. Place your fudge bar cake in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or even overnight to allow it to firm up completely. Once chilled, you can garnish it with chocolate shavings or sprinkles for an extra touch. Cut it into 12 to 16 generous servings and enjoy this delightful no-bake treat. Remember to store any leftovers in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.